That's why they're all running the short cycles so you can get on as many as they can. I like his wagon like he's got his wagon.
Okay, runners, so now I can see a radar. Let's go, let's go. You ready out there? You ready out? You ready out there? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
She stays a cheater, so here we are. And there goes the alarm, ringing in my head. Like somebody said, don't trust him, no. Texting from his ex, what did you?
Okay, runners, would you like to go a little bit faster?
With
Everybody sing here. Everybody sing whoa. Sing whoa. If you want to go faster, somebody scream. For the UK's number one extreme.
Wow! Come on! They did it! Oh, good cycle incoming!
We're slowing it down.
Down! Spin you round and around and around and around! Oh!
Flying the sky. You're rocking women's attractions, they're right wrong.
Wow! I feel good. Rocking, we keep on rocking.
Okay, runners, is everybody happy?
Oh, doing a good cycle, Kyle.
Yeah, we're gonna rock your body. It is the fastest one in 10.
4, 3, 2, are you ready?
MVQ, calling all patrols. Air raid warning, clear all skids and stop incoming traffic.
Here we go again. Yeah.
Okay, runners, for the last. Somebody scream!
Wow! Oh, Lorette! How good was that? That was what you call a good cycle. That was fantastic. 5 minutes.
Yeah, tell your friends we are the number one extreme.
Thank you for riding.